Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert a tick in Excel. In order to insert a tick in Excel, first you'll need to open your Excel. This is the first interface you will see of Excel. Now you'll have to click on the first option that says blank workbook. Here, you'll be directed to your workbook. Now, to insert a tick, you'll have to select the cells you want to insert tick in. After that, on the very top, you can find a lot of options that says File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. You'll have to click on the Insert option on the very top. There in the very last, you can find option that says Symbol. You'll have to tap on it. You'll have to click on Symbol option again. You can see variety of symbols here. You'll have to select the wingdings in the font option. Then after you scroll a bit, you'll find the tick symbol. You'll have to click on it. Then click on insert option on the very bottom. After you do that, you'll have to close. And just like that, you have inserted tick in your Excel. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to insert tick in your Excel. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe. Thank you.